Today, we're going to be looking at the Amazon Music app, which is absolutely free if you don't mind a few ads. And I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of everything you need to know to get started using it today. Let's jump in. So once you download the app, whether it be for your iPhone or an Android device, we're going to open it up here, and it's going to have you sign in to your Amazon account. And so then it's going to start off, it's going to ask you to set up your profile, and your handle. So it's going to start off and give you an offer to try the premium version. And I would say you might as well, just to see if you like that. But for now, I'm just going to say no thanks. So it's going to start by asking you to choose at least 3 of your favorite artists, just so that it can start shaping your music feed to things that you like. So I'm just going to go through here. Let's say Bruno Mars, Beatles, Billie Eilish. I think that's good to get started. And music for you. And we're going to go listen now. And it's going to start playing right away. I'm not going to let the music play for copyright reasons, but it jumps right in here. You can skip to the next song as you go through that way. And it's kind of neat. It comes up with the lyrics there on the screen. And then what we can do when we're in a song is we can either send that song, share it with someone directly from the apps. We can screen share that to a nearby device. Or if you click on the 3 dots here, you've got a couple options. You can add it to a playlist, which I don't have any playlists created now. So we can just create one, and we'll just call this Great Songs. Save, and you can make it public or private, and it'll add that to that list. Okay, you hit the 3 little dots. And then you could also go view the album, so you can see all the music that's on that album. Hit the dots here. You can view the artist, so you can see the Billie Eilish artist and has the songs that they are best known for and some albums that they're on, those sorts of things, right? It also has podcasts. So this is what's great, is that Amazon Music also includes podcasts. So you can see related podcasts. These are episodes that Billie Eilish had appeared on. Here we have similar artists. So if you like Billie Eilish, you might like some of these other artists. And then they also have merch. You can purchase merch directly on there as well. You have tons of information about that artist right in there. Now we're going to go back to the home. And the first time you click on this, we'll send you updates. That's up to you if you want to go to the notifications. So if you go to the home tab, you see across the top, you can go to the music. This is going to be your explore music. And you can see it's suggesting different playlists, different albums, different artists, all these sorts of things. It also has mixes where it puts together, here's my Disney mix. And it is taking songs based on my interests, what I like, what I listen to, what I've favorited, and creating a mix just for me, right? And then we go back and it's going to give you album suggestions and playlists. And again, the more you use it, the more that it learns your listening and your taste, your interest, the more that it'll become more specific. And right now it's kind of broad because this is a new account that I just set up. And then across the bottom, you can go to find. Now we can search for specific elements. So let's say I want to go Michael Bublé, right? We can search for Michael Bublé and we can get top results. You can go to stations, you can see the albums, you can artists, playlists, all of everything that you need right through there. And we go, oh, that reminds me, I like Tony Bennett. You can go to the Tony Bennett station, right? Where it plays just Tony Bennett like songs, not just Tony Bennett, but artists that are similar to Tony Bennett, or whatever the artist is that you chose. And then you go into your library, you can see your playlists that you've created. You can see the stations that were created for you, recent episodes there, and it's broken up into 2 categories. You have your music side, and then you have your podcasts, right? So when you go into your home, scroll up to the top again here, back out of that, and you can see you have all access and then your podcasts, right? So you can have all your podcasts included right in there. Smartless, fun show, so you can click on that, and it'll allow all the different episodes that are available, and you can play those. Or again, you hit the 3 dots and you can add it to a playlist or mark it as played and that sort of thing. What's really powerful about this is it learns what you like and it starts building that so that you can have music playing in the background, whatever you're doing, create different playlists for different situations. You know, if you want your morning jog playlist or you want something to sleep by, those sorts of things are all kind of built right in there. And then obviously, you know, if you want to eliminate the ads so that you can just have music or ad-free listening, they have the option to upgrade to that. And if you have an Alexa device, you also have a button here in the corner to click on to ask Alexa to be able to play music directly on there. So you can link those two together, which is a nice feature. So that is everything that you need to know to get started using Apple Music today. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.